Hey, no
Just
more.
one more teensy bite. Ready for the second course? Oh, stop your belly aching and open wide. Keep eating, okay, Agumon? Way to go, Greymon!
Nova Blast!
He certainly doesn't have any Digimanners. At least say excuse me.
Am I imagining it? You're a genius! Draymon Destroyer, huh? Agumon, you're gonna eat those Draymon alive! That's not what I had in mind.
Digi, modify! Step on his neck!
Digi-modify!
Oh, I ate so fast, I forgot to breathe. I need a bigger tummy.
I'm finished!
No! He didn't mean spit it out literally!
Sorry, little air bubble.
Why aren't you out there fighting with the others?
I had a tummy ache, and I saw right through your plan.
Fear not, Princess!